In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about Figma pen tool, and I will show you how to start using it like a pro. So to activate pen tool, either we can press P on our keyboard, or we can go here at the bottom toolbar and select pen tool from here. Okay, so you can see here a blue circle, a little blue circle. If we click on the artboard, it is giving a blue dot. This represents a node, and when we click on the artboard, it represents another node, and when these two nodes combines, it becomes a line. We can create so many lines just like this. Now what if I want to create a separate line, like I don't want to connect with this, so we can press escape key on keyboard and it will disconnect. Then we can create another line just like this. And what if I want to create a closed path? We can do just like this, and we have to connect the first node where we started, and this is done. Now let's create a line here first, and if we hover on this line in the middle, you can see a plus icon below the pen tool. It means that we can add a node here. After clicking here, it adds a node. Whenever we click on the artboard, and along with that we drag it, it creates a curve just like this. Let me show you this bend tool now. Whenever we create a line or any closed path, we can bend the joints with this bend tool. After selecting here, you can see at right hand side in appearance section, here there is an option of mirroring. So there is three types of mirroring, like no mirroring, mirror angle, and length. When we click mirror angle and length, it bend the line on both sides equally, and drag it, it will work both sides. But when we click no mirroring, it will work only one side, just like this. Now what is the paint tool? Let me create a closed path first, just like this. Now I will connect these 2 points to create a separation. Now select this paint tool, and when I click on the left side, it is selected, and I will click on this upper side, this is selected. So I want to give this a color fill. Go to fill and give it a color just like this, and go to this below one and give it a color, and give it a color just like this. Let me show you one more thing. When we create select the pen tool first. When we create a closed path just like this, now I want to remove this node from here. If I simply delete it, it will open the path just like this. But I don't want to open the path. Just undo this. What can I do? Select shift and now press delete. It will heal the path. This is very beautiful feature of the Figma. Like we have two lines just like this, and now I want to connect these two nodes and these two nodes. We can simply click here and we can join just like this, but I don't want to do that. So select these two pointers and press command J, and these will join, and same with these two, command J, and these nodes will join. Let me show you one more thing. Here we have so many shapes already. These have been made using nodes, just like let me select a rectangle. So all shapes have been created with these nodes only. So let me show you a circle here. Create a circle and hit enter. You can see there are 4 nodes. Let me create a circle with these nodes and show you. Press P and create a line and create a closed path just like this. This will be a square. Now what we will do, select this bend tool and go to mirror angle and length. Now click here, click here, click here, and click here. See, it has been turned into a circle now. How cool. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.